So good morning, good morning, good morning. I wanted to jump on here really quick and do a quick video. For those of you that are just really seriously, just interested in making some money and taking trades, trade ideas. There's sort of three things that you can do. One is you can do it with stock options and take Jess's trade ideas on stock options, but of course you've got to get in and learn the basics in stock options. On the Forex side, you've got two options. You can take Abdullah's trade ideas that he sends out on Sunday. You can set all of those up. Well, there's 22 trade ideas. He does a short and a long position. You can go in and set those up, and you can set those to any position you want, either TP1, 2, 3, or 4, however you feel comfortable. I would recommend that you plot it and track it so you know the best position to put those in. So if you know, say, GJ constantly goes to target profit number 3, that might be a good idea to go ahead and set that in. I would recommend practicing on a demo account for a little while before you do these. Put those in on Sunday night, get them all set up, put them on your trading view first so you can look at where price is at in relationship to those, and then go into your trading software and enter those pending trades if you want to, and then just let it run. Make sure you set a lot size according to your account size so you won't blow your account. And understand, like BTC that's a big boy and big girl playing size trade. So if you're going to take those, make sure you've got a lot of room for drawdown in these. Make sure you've got 100 to 200 pip drawdown range in a lot of her trades that she puts in. They get a lot of drawdown. So if you're planning on winning, you got to be on top of it. If she says book it, you probably need to book it and close the trade, and then maybe look at possibly a re-entry. So that's the Plato's trade. Or I'm sorry, I jumped ahead of myself. I'm talking about Abdullah's trades, right? Put Abdullah's trades in, watch his trades, see where they go, track them, see how it comes up. Do that a couple of weeks in a row. And then if you want to move that into a live account, you can. You can do whatever you want to, right? It's your money. If you're going to take Plato's trades, now let's jump over to Plato's trades. I'm going to show you this. I'm going to do a screen share. If you're going to jump over to Plato's trades and take her trade ideas, she rocked it out this month. She did somewhere in the range of 19,160 pips. Right? She had some wins and she had some losses, but I want to share this with you. This is big boy and big girl money here. If you've got a nice size account, if you've got some good money sitting aside, I would not take her trades with account less than $3,000. If you've got a $4,000, $5,000, maybe you're going through a funded account. Once you get a $100,000 funded account, this might be the way to go. But here you go. I want to show this with you. Let me share my screen and show you this. There's a lot of money sitting out here, but you got to understand how to play in each area. You got to understand when you're taking Abdullah's trades from Sunday, his stop losses are very short and very quick. You may blow through them because I think his gold trades this last week, I believe, both hit stop loss before they went into a win. So you need to know how to set those up. Should you set them up as an alert to get notified when the trade is going, or should you just go ahead and set it and then to minimize your loss, make sure you adjust your lot size according to your stop loss so you don't lose. So it's about winning more wins than losses, right? So if you can see my screen, this is the Ploutos. If you're new and you don't have Ploutos, it's an add-on for $50. You can add on to get her trade ideas. This also includes being connected to Nigel, who does NAS 100 live trading Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, I believe it is. He does live NAS trading at 8:20 a.m. in the morning. You can get in, and he basically tells you, get in here, get out here, get in here, get out here, get in here, get out here. He tells you exactly where to enter the trade, where to get out of the trade. He has a really, really good win ratio on his trades. He's very, very chilled when he does it. He's not excited. He's not like Abdullah when he's scalping US 30 in the morning. Nigel's very, very chill. You get access to his as well for his live trading. Now, she does not do live trading, right? She simply drops trade ideas into the channel. Right now, they're coming through Telegram. Hopefully they'll be dropping into Solex pretty soon for those of us that are using Solex. Everybody should be using Solex. You should have the Solex app for primary communication, but in the temporary, until we get everything moved over there, she's going to be on Telegram dropping these trade ideas. And you can see here, Bitcoin, her first Bitcoin trade, 2,500 pips. NASDAQ lost 350. Next trade, gold 50, silver. And you can look at these. You can see these numbers. Here's another Bitcoin trade for 2,000 pips. Here's another one for 1,000 pips. She's got some smaller ones on the other one. That week was a big Bitcoin week. The next week, she rolled in, got some gold. She lost gold, won a gold, won some BTC, won a gold, won a silver. US 30, she lost 180. US 30, she won 150. Gold 60. NASDAQ 280. The Japanese index. I can't think of the real name for that, but it's the JP 225, 500 gold. And you don't have to take all of these. You can pick out which one you want. Of course, you got Bitcoin again. You can see overall, these are, like I said, these are big boy and big girl trades. You've got to have a decent size account and you've got to be able to go in and do some drawdown. I would recommend setting up a demo account before you start taking her trades live to make sure you understand how much drawdown is. You're going to get you a spreadsheet, and let's say you put in this gold trade, right? And it's 120 pip loss. You know that's 120 pip drawdown plus, but you got to track these. Each trade that she sends out, you need to put it on your spreadsheet, the time, the date, was it a buy or a sell? When did it enter? Put your drawdown, how much it went into drawdown before it went to TP1, TP2, or TP3. If you're not willing to track this stuff, you guys, you are going to get your butts kicked when it comes to taking these trade ideas. I'm just telling you, you need to know when to get in and you need to know when to get out. You need to have goals set up. You need to have your daily goals set up so you know when to get in and get out. And say maybe you just want to do $200 a day. So once you go in, whatever one of these trades you take, as soon as you hit $200, you're out. Whatever your goal is, set your goal and make sure you understand how to get there. Now, if you're taking Donnie's classes, right? If you're taking Donnie's classes and you understand the smart money concepts, you can take a look at these trade ideas when you mark them up on your trading view chart, and you can see if it makes sense in relationship to what he's training you about liquidity zones, order blocks, so on and so forth. So if you put all that stuff together, there's a lot of money in here. Again, you don't have to do that if you don't want to. If you just want to take the trade ideas and just set it up and take the wins and the losses as they go, if you've got a big enough account to do that, then by all means do that. Go through the basic Forex class if you don't understand that. Again, Abdullah's trades that he puts out here, you should have access to these already because I made sure I had everybody set up on these. It's the Eminus US 30 trades, and he does these trades every Sunday. They should be coming out here over the weekend. You'll see these. He's got US 30, gold, oil, Bitcoin, GJ, Euro USD, GU, AU, NZD, USD, USD Chef, and USD CAD. All of these trade ideas are dropped out. However, if you don't know the basics in trading, that's clueless to you, right? You need to understand how to put in a stop loss. You need to understand how to use TradingView. You need to understand how to set your risk tolerances, right? If you've got a $500 account and you're risk putting a stop loss at $100, not smart, right? If you've got a $500 account, your stop loss should be somewhere around, I don't know, 10 bucks, maybe somewhere in that area, which means you're going to slide that stop loss. If you're doing US 30, if you put your lot size down at 0.01, you don't have a lot of room to deal with on a $500 account. That's why you shouldn't be playing with US 30 on a $500 account. You shouldn't be playing with NAS 100 on a $500 account. You shouldn't be playing with Bitcoin trades on a $500 account. They're not going to win. Now, all the regular Forex pairs, have fun, go at it. You should be able to make some money doing that. So I wanted to share that with you really quick, just to give you a general idea of what's out there and just maybe help you with your mindset. You need to practice, put them on your trading view, put them in your demo account on your, put the trades in your demo account, put the pending trades for Saturday. If you're new or from that Abdulla puts in, if you're not sure how to do those, we're going to set that up every Sunday at 5 p.m. We're going to go through those in this particular coming up Sunday. I'm going to go through it again, show you how to put those into your trading account so you know how to adjust the lot size, you know how to set your risk tolerance. We're going to go through that on Saturday as well. I would recommend before our 5 o'clock call, when he puts those out, go mark them up on your trading view chart. Mark them up on your trading view chart so you're ready to go. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Hope you have an absolutely awesome weekend. I know I'm going to drop this video into the chat and into the Facebook group. And then, of course, I've got a training I want to do for all my affiliates here coming up either today or sometime tomorrow.